Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access HDMI and a charging port in WOLFANG GA400. To do this, we'll need to take a look on the left side of our camera. It's located right here. There's a button and we'll need to press it and pull this hatch downwards. It's a bit tricky, but with some patience you'll be able to get it. Okay, so it's removed, and now inside there's mini HDMI slot and the USB port right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.